My video guide is about removing fake Windows firewall protection alerts, and these pop-ups come from the random website. I'm not going to quote this website because it is random and tomorrow it may be changed with some other website. However, these fake Windows firewall protection alerts also quote this fake Windows support telephone number, which is this one, 844-525-0618. So the point is that this is indeed a fake Windows support alert and you should not trust it. All these fake alerts try to make you call this fake Windows support number, and then if you call it, you will hear some online criminals who will try to connect to your computer remotely, and then they may infect your system even more considerably. So after that, they may demand from you to pay money to get your computer fixed. But these are fake Microsoft technicians and you should not trust them. So please be extremely careful when you see these pop-ups. Do not call this fake telephone number because, as I said, these pop-ups have in mind to trick you, to deceive you, and possibly to make you waste your money for nothing. We recommend you just to leave this page and not to interact with these fake alerts. Also, we strongly advise that you carefully check the control panel of your system, because very often the unusual browser behavior may be explained by the presence of some adware to be the part of your computer. If you find anything suspicious, get rid of it. I also recommend that you additionally research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your computer to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.